Today about cooks, we're doing a quick one. It's just macaroni salad. That's it. It's pretty simple. Just in case you never made macaroni salad before, this is kind of a fun thing to do. So let's make macaroni salad. Okay, so what goes in macaroni salad? You got a lot of different opinions on what can go in macaroni salad. These are my favorites. So you basically got celery, red onion, pickles, some diced up shredded carrots, mayonnaise, a little pickle juice, a little black pepper. That's about it. Okay, I have taken an amount of mayonnaise which is appropriate to the amount of pasta that you have, which depends on how much pasta you have, how many people are eating. This is not a lot. There was about this much in the bottom of the mayonnaise container. There you go. I didn't make my own mayonnaise this time. Sometimes I do. But anyways, I put it in here. There's about a teaspoon of pickle juice in there. It's delicious. This thing is slippery and sliding all over the place. I'm going to drop it. Just mix that up. This is the ingredients here. Put in the amount until you see this looks pretty tasty. I don't know if you can see, you get it there. I have cooked my elbow macaroni. It is cooked as per the package. It goes in here like this. There's a straggler. I don't like those. That's about it. You mix that up. Another straggler. Last thing you need is a little bit of pepper. There's one other secret ingredient that I like with this. Garlic. That's what I call it. You know those jars of minced up or chopped garlic you get in the grocery store? Those things can be pretty gross for certain recipes. Stuff like this, it's friggin' awesome. So I just take a little bit on a spoon, pop it in there, get a little juice. Call it garlic because it's a jar of garlic. I always keep garlic around. It's handy in case you're feeling lazy. But yeah, there you go. Stick this in the fridge for good 3-4 hours to get it nice and cold. And you have macaroni salad. There you go. Super simple, super fast, super easy. That's all you gotta do. But you know what you gotta do? You gotta subscribe to this channel, please. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, share it with your friends, anything else. If you do that, I can bring in longer videos. Videos that cover more than just 2 minutes of stirring stuff in a bowl. Yes, this was fun and all, but wouldn't we like to do more serious things? We would. We can only do that if you subscribe. So won't you today? It's free, and it's fun. So let's do it. Thanks. See you on the next one. And this is the macaroni salad I made for the other video. That is my dog Rufus. He likes to woo, just spontaneously. Don't worry. Okay, this is the macaroni salad from earlier. It's amazing. I did do one thing to this. Tapatio hot sauce. A little bit of hot sauce. It like saying, if I'm being honest, it needed a little, so I put a little hot sauce in it. That is my new favorite trick. That's going in the recipe. I love it. Can't do anything about it. As now forever. Okay.
Hey, you there. Yeah, I'm talking to you, buddy. Did you know that most of the people watching these videos are not subscribed to this channel? You know how much they're missing out on. You can't even hit the notification bell unless you're subscribed. That's crazy. You gotta hit the button. I mean, not that button. No, not that one. That one. There you go. That's the button. All right, hit the bell. Then you're gonna know when the videos come out and all that good stuff. You're gonna love it. But that's all I got for now because hey, gotta go now. Train's coming. See you later. Bye.